Hi kids, once again your English teacher is with you. So today I am here with the topic noun number. So we are going to revise noun number again through an activity. So before we are going to start the activity, let us revise what is noun, what is singular noun and what is plural noun. So first of all, what is noun? A noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. And what is singular noun? A noun that stands for single person, single place, single animal or single thing. That is singular noun. And what is plural noun? A plural noun is a noun that are standing for many person or more than one person, more than one place, thing or animal. So let's see what the activity is. So the activity is my plural book. So today we'll make a plural book where we'll change the singular noun to plural noun through an activity. So let's see and let's start. So kid, for this activity what I need, color papers like this, and with this color paper I will cut some slips with the help of scissor. So scissor is also required, then glue, marker, or if required we can use the scale also. So first of all what we'll do, we'll take a color paper and we will fold it like that. And after folding it, we will cut that piece from here and like this. If you can see, I have teared that piece and I'm folding it again like that, and again I'm going to cut into two different pieces. Similarly, we need some more pieces like that and we'll paste on a color paper like this. If you can see, I have pasted here already. So I'll show you another page like this. Here I have cut small pieces like this and I have pasted all these pieces here on this chart. And all these pieces which I have pasted from one side. If you see that, from one side I have pasted it. So these are looking like a mini books. If you see, they are looking like mini books. Mini means small books. And on all these mini books, on its cover page, what I have written? Some suffixes. If you see, some suffixes are written here. Suffix X, suffix S, ES, VES, IES, EN, ICE, REN and EE. So suffixes, what is suffix? Suffix are the words or the letters that we add at the end of the singular noun to make it plural. So to make the singular noun to the plural noun, we require suffixes. So with most of the word we add S, with some of the word we add ES, with some of the word we add VES, with some of the word we add IES, and in some cases we change the vowel. Here you can see that here is the book where we can change the vowel to change the singular noun to the plural noun. So here if you can see, I have cut some slips here. And on all these slips I have written some singular noun here. Here you can see that number of slips I kept here, and on all slips I have written some singular nouns here. So what I have to do, I will pick up the noun, singular noun one by one from here, and I will place it under the book where the required suffix is there. Suppose I am going to pick that word ring. Suppose I picked up the word ring. Now where I have to put the word ring? What is the plural of ring? So plural of ring is rings. So for rings, to make it rings, what I need, which suffix I need? I need the suffix S. So what I will do, I'll take that word ring, I'll put it under suffix S, and then I will fold it like this. And I'll fold it up to the word where I need to add the suffix. So word is ring, and when we add suffix S, so what I will do, I will write the suffix S here. Now the word has changed into rings. Firstly, it was ring, R-I-N-G, ring. Now I folded the chit like this and now it become R-I-N-G-S, rings. So I will place this slip under this book. So first page of the book has made, that is ring, rings, right? So for that, remember one thing, whenever you are going to write the word, write it at the side of the slip. Don't write it in between the slip because we have to fold it like that. Did you understand? So I will place it here and I will paste it also. Similarly, I will paste it here like this. Similarly, let's take another word. Suppose I take the word ball. I got the word ball. Again, with the ball, which suffix is required? That is again S. So what I will do, I'll put that word under this suffix S. I will fold it like this, and B-A-L-L, ball. Where I need to add S, I need to add it at the end of the word. So for that, again what I will do, I will write S here. So now the word has become, from ball it became balls, right? So again I will put this word under the book cover S. That is S. So I will place it under again this, right? So this chit is too long, so you can make it short also, right? Let's take another word from this book. Suppose I take the word knife. I took the word knife. So what is the plural of knife? Plural of knife is knives. Knives. So whenever there is F-E at the end of the word, what we have to do? We remove F-E. What we do? We remove F-E and we add V-E-S. So what we'll do? We'll fold the chit like this and we'll add the suffix V-E-S. So plural of knife is V-E-S. We have removed F-E. We'll hide F-E and we'll place the suffix V-E-S like this, right? And again like this, we'll place that slip under the book cover V-E-S, suffix V-E-S. So we'll place it here and we will paste it also. Right? Let's take another word. Like suppose I'm taking the word, I'll take the word brush. So brush, this word is ending with SH. So whenever there is SH at the end, what we do? We add ES at the end of the word that ends with SH. All the word that ends with SH, at that with that word, what we need to add the suffix ES. So what I have to do? I have to place this word under this book cover ES suffix. So what I will do? With brush, I don't need to hide any word. I just need to add the suffix brush, brushes. I will just add ES. So brush will become brushes and I will put it under the suffix ES. And again I could paste it. So we'll place it under this book cover. So in this book we have added one word, brush, brushes. Let's take another example. Suppose I took the word mango. So if the word ends with O, what we have to do? Again, when the word ends with O, we again add the suffix ES. We don't need to hide any word. We add the word ES. So here the suffix will come ES. So mango will become mangoes. One mango and many mango will become mangoes. Again I will put it under the suffix that is ES. So we will place it under the book cover ES. So paste it. Now next, let's take another word. Suppose I have the word baby. So baby. Remember, whenever there is y at the end, so here what we do, we remove y. We remove y and we add the suffix ies. Instead of, if there is a single baby, we'll write baby. When there is more than one baby, we'll write babies. And here we remove the y and we add suffix ies. We'll fold the chit like this and we'll add ies. Right? So baby will become babies. And always remember, if there is a y and before y there should be a consonant also. If there is a consonant and then y, then we add ies. So we'll place this slip under the suffix book cover, that is ies. So we will paste it. Next, now I took the slip and here it is boy. So where I have to place the word boy, plural of boy is boys. But here I said that whenever there is y at the end, we remove y and we add ies. But here when we made the plural of boy, the plural of boy is boys. Why is it so? Because whenever there is vowel before the y, then we add s at the end. And if there is consonant before the y, if there is a consonant before the y, we remove y and we add ies. But if there is vowel before the y, then we add s at the end. So here the suffix will come s and we'll place this suffix. With this suffix we'll place it under the book cover s. So it will become, boys will become boys and we will paste it under this. So similarly we'll paste number of words like that. Suppose I am going to take one more word. Suppose I have the word mouse. So what is the plural of the word mouse? I have told you children, in many words we change the vowel. We change the vowel and the whole word changes to make it plural. Suppose the word, single word is mouse. So plural of the mouse is mice. Here the vowels are being changed and the whole word get changed. So this mouse will become mice. So we'll fold it like that. We'll fold the chit like that. The mouse will become mice. So plural of mouse is mice. If you see, the whole word got changed here. Mouse, mice. So we'll put it under the book cover ICE. So here I change the vowel. The mouse has become mice. Mouse, mice. We'll paste it here. Then another word we can take, that is, let's take the word tooth. Here if you see, TOOTH, tooth. Tooth means single tooth, right? So what the suffix we need to add here? Here we don't need to add the suffix. Here again the double O will change. Here we have to remove double O, or instead of double O, what we have to add? Here I have to add double E. So I will fold the whole chit like this. The whole word got changed. The plural of tooth is teeth. TEETH. So what the word has become? Tooth, teeth. And I will put this under the book cover double E. So that is, tooth has become tooth, teeth. And you can paste it here. I will paste it. Next, take another word, that is man. Here again we'll change the vowel A. So here man will become, plural of man is men. So here we'll again fold the chit and we'll write here men will become E and the whole word is changed. That is, man has become men and we'll place it under the suffix en. We'll not say it suffix, we have changed the vowel. The whole word has changed. So we'll place it here and we'll write it man has become men. Understood? So I'll paste it here. Similarly, you can paste all these chits like this. So I'll paste it here. Then let's take another word. Suppose I have the word foot. Again, double O is here. So foot will become feet. The foot will become feet. Plural of foot is feet. So again I'll fold the chit and I'll write F-E-E-T, feet. And again I'll put it under the book cover here. So I will paste it also. Next, I could take the word ox. So what is the plural of ox? Plural of ox is oxen. Here I have to suffix en. So I'll fold the chit and I don't need to hide any word. So here ox will become oxen. So plural of ox is oxen. I will paste it here under the book cover, children. Now I am not pasting all these chits. Later on I'll paste it. So you have to paste it like that. Next I could take the word. If you see, I need the word policeman. Again policeman will become policemen, because if you see here man, so policeman will become policemen. So I will fold the chit like this. It will become policeman. Now I took the word child. So what is the plural of child? Single child is one child. Now what is the plural? There are number of child. So what I have to write? Children. It will not be childs. It will be children. So here again I don't need to hide any word. I have to add the suffix ren. So I will add the suffix ren. So child will become children. So I will place this chit under the book cover children. So likewise I have number of words here, right? So let's take another example. Suppose I have the word fox. So whenever the word ends with X, also we add the suffix es. So fox will become foxes. So I will fold the chit like this. I will write the word. I will write the suffix es. Fox will become foxes. So I will place this chit under the book cover es. So fox will become foxes. We can take another word like this. I have thief. Let's take another word, thief. So here the word ends with F. I told you whenever the word ends with FE, similarly if you see FE, if the word ends with FE or F, at that time we add the suffix VES. So here we have to hide the word F and we'll write here thieves, THIEVES. So thief will become thieves and we'll place it under this book cover. I have another word, glass. If there is double S at the end, again what we have to do, we have to add the suffix ES. Glass will become glasses. So we'll add ES at the end of the word glass. It will become glasses and we'll paste it under the book cover ES. So we will paste it here. So it will become glasses. Similarly, there are number of slips I have, and you can also make the slips like this, and you can create your own book of plural words, and you can place the chits like this under all these suffixes to learn the singular noun and plural noun, how we can change the singular noun to the plural noun, and you can name your book as My Plural Book, or here I have written the heading plural words. You can write the heading My Plural Book. So that was the activity, and you can see the book like this. You can see like this: ring, rings, ball, balls. Similarly, box, boxes, glass, glasses. Here again fox, foxes. Here thief, thieves. So likewise we have written number of plural words here. So in this way you can remind it better. So kids, what we have learned in this activity, we have learned that how we change singular noun to the plural noun by adding the suffixes or by changing the vowels. So hope you all like the activity, and I wish you all will make the plural book like this that we have made. Thank you.